Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, again, we are back with our Tank T2, the Kospet Tank T2. And of course, the last video we have the installation of the application. Okay, the support app Kospet Fit. Okay, so the QR code for the app is available here, and the box packaging. Kospet Fit. Just search it in Android and iOS, and of course you can download it to pair it with your Kospet smartwatch, particularly the Kospet Tank T2 and M2. Okay, so let's check, okay, if what are the offered watch faces available for our Kospet Tank T2. Okay, let's open the application. Okay, so we are paired. Okay, but before we go to the watch faces section, let's check first the available watch face here in the smartwatch. Okay, just long press and you can select several watch faces here. We have at least several preloaded watch faces. Again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At least 5 watch faces available for our smartwatch. Okay, you can also access this, okay, settings or these features here in the settings. Okay, watch faces. Okay, you can select it here. You can also set to always on display. It will shorten battery life. Okay, watch faces for always on display, you can select. Okay, so let's select this one. Okay, we have at least 2 options, I think. Okay, going back, let's see other options. Watch face settings. I guess that's it. Okay, so for the watch face, you can select several watch faces here. Okay, and we also have the always on display, as you can see here. Okay, going back, so we're done with the preloaded watch faces here. Okay, so let's check the additional watch faces here in the Kospet Fit Support app. Okay, so let's check. Okay, tap on the watch faces. Okay, so we have the dial center. Okay, we have the custom dial and my dial. Okay, so we have, it is categorized into several categories: sports, illustration, mechanical, number, space, and pointer. I guess the pointer is for analog type watch faces. So we have a lot of beautiful analog watch faces here. Okay, we are going to try one later on. We have space. Okay, so it's still empty, I think. Oh, we still have some. Okay, I thought it's empty. We have at least 7 here. Number, this is for the digital watch faces. Okay, so we'll pick one later on. We have mechanical. Oh, this is also analog type. I don't know if what is the difference. Maybe there's the background, there's the data at the back. Okay, this is beautiful, this one. We'll see. Okay, and we have illustrations. Okay, so this is cartoon like a graphical watch faces. We have the sports. Okay, so these are digital watch faces with additional data. Okay, custom dial. Okay, so you need to download first my dial. Okay, we'll check on that later on. Okay, so let's go first with the dial center. Okay, so let's try download here in the mechanical and see. So this is, You seen it? Okay, you'll just put it there. We've seen our always on display. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, it looks okay. Here is our always on display. Okay, let's install it. It's now downloading. Okay, syncing 1%. Hopefully we'll have a successful installation of the watch face for our Kospet Tank D2 smartwatch. Okay, we are 19%. Getting closer. We'll see. Okay, we're almost at 50% now. That's it. Okay. Hopefully we'll have a successful installation. We'll check on later on the custom watch face if we do have, or if the smartwatch do have a support for that. Okay, we're almost done. And we're finished, I think. Okay. So that's it. Okay, so we have successfully downloaded a cost or a watch face, okay, in the mechanical category. Okay, so do we have an animation? No, we don't have any animation. Okay, no animation so far. Okay, let's check other watch face here. I think it's time to go with a sports. Mechanical number. Okay, let's go with the sports. Let's download another one. Okay, what are we going to download? This one. Let's try this. Tap on it. Downloading. Okay, we're almost finished. Okay, so this will be fast, I think, much faster than the mechanical. Let's see. Yes. Okay, this is much faster. And we are done. Okay, so we have a heart rate. Okay, calorie steps. Beautiful. It's a beautiful, okay, designed watch faces. Okay, going back, custom dial. Let's see. So we have here the custom dial, my dial, the watch faces that we downloaded. Okay, so you have an option to delete it or not. Going back to custom dial. Okay, as you can see here, you can delete it. Custom dial, let's tap on it. Okay, so you can select an image. Tap, album, gallery. So let's pick one. Okay, crop, and we have the watch face. So you have an option to change the color. Okay, can you, okay, there's no option to change the location of the time, only the color. Okay, then synchronous dial, data preparation. So how do we install this? Okay, it's now syncing. Okay, so it's a bit slow for the custom dial, but so far seems like it's going to work. Let's see. Okay, we are at 13%, 15, 16, 18. Okay, let's see. So far, when downloading watch faces, everything works. Okay, the watch face section do have several categories and professional designed watch faces for our tank T2. Okay, let's see if what will be the outcome of this custom watch face for our Kospet tank T2 smartwatch. Okay, we're almost finished. Let's see. And we are, that's it, we are done. And we have here the custom watch face. Okay, so far everything works. Let's see if we can go back to our watch face by just tapping on this one. Cancel. Oh, again, you still have to synchronize it again. Okay, you have to download it again, as you can see here. So far everything works, and we have a lot of options for our watch faces. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the installation, downloading of watch faces for our Kospet Tank T2 smartwatch, just drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.